Kansas anymore.
Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. This morning we're going to Shehan. This morning we're going with a translator and a guide, which I'd highly recommend. Our guide today is a lovely young lady called Arazu. She can speak 7 different languages fluently. Getting through Kurdistan and Iraqi Kurdistan and Iraq is very, very difficult without a guide, purely because of the checkpoints. So I recommend you get a guide, and what I'll do is I will put the details into the comments section.
Do you want to stop for some snack or water or something?
Guys, we've just entered into the oil fields of Lalish. This is an area which ISIS are trying to take control of, but the Iraqi government are defending it. As you can see in the background, we've got one of the oil plants there. We're now going over to the checkpoint. Worthwhile getting a guide with you. Because what the guide had to do, she had to call the government to tell them that we were going to be here. And you will see when we tried to get into Mosul, we didn't have a guide. Therefore, we come a little bit unstuck. But today, all is good. We've got someone helping us, and we're going to see some of Iraqi Kurdistan and Iraq. This area of Lalish is known as the Ocean of Oil. It's only 60 miles from the Syrian border, and it was the worst hit area for the genocide by ISIS. Over 10,000 people killed and 3,000 girls were taken. Still to this day, they're waiting for them to come back. Guys, welcome to the Temple of Lalish. This place was another place attacked by ISIS, who tried to destroy this religion. This snake, see on the wall, legend has it that the snake is holy because when Noah built the ship, a crack appeared and the snake got into the crack and saved the animals. So guys, when you come inside, you have to step over the threshold, and it is said that if you was to step onto the threshold, that angels are protecting the doorway and you'll step on the angel's wings. Well, I know I'm tiny, but blimey, you're going to struggle getting through here, Kyle. Look at his knees. What a stunning place to visit. Not many people come here, get the opportunity to come here, but it's absolutely stunning. Ancient Persian through to Iranian and now Iraqi.
Like to experience how that used to be, and I will have some farms like the organic eggs, the chicken, the goats.
Also, another tip, guys, is to keep your passport with you at all times. Keep it on your person. You never know when you'll have to produce it. We're in a location called Hanis, with a Hanis, and it was originally the summer retreat of the Syrian king. Pepper potted with caves and carvings, so hopefully a quite interesting place. If you look closely, you can see the ancient sculptures. There's a statue number 1, statue number 2, facing statue number 3, and facing at the end towards his statue number 4.
Statue number 2 wearing an apple watch.
This place nearly 3,000 years old. Place where people rarely see. Look what I found. One of the most spectacular places I've seen in my life. It is the St. Hormizd Monastery, 7th century, and below is the Alqosh town, and this area is pure Christian. Now, because it was pure Christian, ISIS tried to take this area. However, there was a Israel interest, and ISIS were pushed back, and the place was never taken.
Sant, Hormizd, Monastery. This is what I really want to have in the hot summer.
you need to bring a torch or mobile phone when you come here if you want to explore these caves. Oh my goodness.
Hormizd himself, he would come here. It was like his special room. And after that, here they would keep their right hand like a palm. They close their eyes and then they walk. If the hand like touches the center, it means that they will be blessed and their wishes would come true.
Cool, I've got a second chance then, is that what you're saying? Second.
You have the first chance here.
Okay. Right. So I have to make a wish, put my hand forward.
Yeah. Close your eyes. Walk with it. Look at you.
Did I get it?
You did.
Perfect.
Way far. You were so quick actually. So let's go.
Lost cause.
Well done, guys. So this has to be a first walking the mountain of Akre at night time. First for YouTube. Hey, happy days. Akre is famous for the festival in January, February, March. Climbing the mountain with fire, and then from the other side of the river you could actually see a snake of fire going up the mountain with people carrying the flaming torches. Here we go, guys, on top of the world. Below us now are 4 villages: Syrian, Christian, Jewish and Muslim.